What's up, guys? Getting out on this beautiful day. It is 65-ish, sunny. Loving every second of it. Probably one of the last few nice days of the year. Today I want to talk about is a 1200 Harley the right bike for you? Regardless of what that 1200 is, Sportster, Nightster, Iron, whatever. Is it a good beginner bike? Well, it really depends on your level of beginner. If it's your very first bike, I probably honestly wouldn't recommend it. It might be a little heavy for your first time learning on a motorcycle. Otherwise, if it's not your first bike but you're still a newer rider, yeah, I think a 1200 is the perfect bike for you. If you don't think you're quite ready for a bagger yet or something a little bigger, yeah, 1200 is great, man. It's got all the power you're really going to need as far as a beginner goes. And I know they say they're small bikes, but I mean, it really just depends what you do to it as far as your controls, you know, all stuff like that really matters. Excuse me. I've got a Mustang seat, I've got forward controls on it, and I've got the HD Harley Davidson Sportster tall boy handlebars. And it makes the bike, honestly, like with those adjustments, this bike, I think it fits me really nice. I'm about 5'11", roughly like 215, 220 pounds, so it really does, it fits me pretty comfortably. Like I said, it's got all the power you're really going to need for the most part. Now, I won't lie, I get on the interstate sometimes and I am reaching for that sixth gear. You know, I've got 5, I'm reaching for 6, and it's just not there. So I'm not gonna lie to you, like you will probably want something bigger eventually. I'm definitely getting to that point, but I'm never selling this bike, man. It's a great little fun bike. Like, I mean, I'm gonna keep this thing as long as I can. So that's another thing too, is these motors, you can tear them apart and rebuild them 1,000 times. They'll last forever. So I mean, I'm gonna keep this thing as long as I possibly can. But man, it's so much fun. I really, if you haven't ridden a Harley, man, like, just at least hop on a 1200 and go take it out. Because man, tell me you're not going to put a smile on your face. I can't be on 2 wheels and not have a smile on my face. So, but no, I really do. I love this bike. I have so much fun on it. I mean, it's taken some work to get to the point where I really like it, but all stuff for comfort. Luckily I got a good deal on this bike. It was in good shape. I got it for really cheap. The price, I mean, you can find new, like almost brand new Sportsters for like $8,000 and have barely any miles put on them at all. And on top of that, they say that new riders, within the first 6 months, they're going to put a bike down. Happened to me on this very bike. And I just know that if I bought a nice brand new Harley, you know, 15, 20 grand or more, I'd have been really upset after I damaged it within the first 6 months. especially when you get the bill for all those parts on that nice new Harley. Now, a little Sportster, I mean, these parts are a dime a dozen. The prices are way down in comparison. Well, guys, that's really all I got to talk about. This might be one of my last videos for a little while. We'll see how the weather goes, but if it is, I'll see you guys next time.